guys, what's happening? Hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Sam. Welcome to the Sam Fam. Before we get started in today's video, please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button down below and turn your post notification bell on so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Thank you guys. So far, we're at 7,300. Getting real close to 8,000 subscribers. I see y'all. Thank you. I appreciate all of you. And also follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see me more on like a daily basis, because I do post there pretty much daily, at least on my stories. So yeah, but as you guys can see from the title today, I am doing a what I eat in a day vegan style. It's technically what I ate yesterday. I was looking homeless all day yesterday, so I didn't film an intro or an outro, so that's why I'm here right now. But yes, yesterday I ate only vegan food options, which is really easy since I am pescatarian. And I don't like to eat too much dairy, so it wasn't like too hard of a task for me. But I do have a cool recipe in this video that I want to share with you guys. Towards the end, it's what I had for dinner, so make sure to check that out. But I'm gonna keep the intro pretty short so we can get right into it, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the end. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with coffee, of course, okay? And I'm also drinking a ginger shot from Trader Joe's, but let's get into the coffee. So, typical iced coffee with the chameleon cold brew concentrate. So I just, fill up my cup with ice, obviously, and then I add in my coffee concentrate. This one is a caramel version of the chameleon. I add in some oat milk just from Trader Joe's, and then the Starbucks non-dairy almond and oat milk creamer. That's caramel macchiato. And then I just stir that up and enjoy it. All right, it's time for meal number one. So this is like my breakfast. I'm eating this Italian tofurkey sausage with avocado, Ezekiel bread, red cherry tomatoes, kale, cashew, and basil pesto from Trader Joe's. So what I do is I actually add half the avocado into a bowl. I realized I already had half of avocado in the fridge, so I just took that one out. I add in some lime juice, which I forgot to show in the beginning of the ingredients. And then I added just a tad bit of that cashew pesto, kale pesto. I add in some lemon pepper and some salt, and I just mash that all together until I get like a nice little consistency that I can spread onto the toast. So then I cut up some of the sausage. Well, I actually cut the whole sausage, and I fry that up on a pan. I just use a little bit of some spray avocado oil spray, and I, fry up those sausages. And then my first piece of toast burnt, but I'm gonna go ahead and make another piece of toast. And then I'm gonna add the avocado spread. I cut up some tomatoes as well, so I'm gonna put the avocado spread down. Then I add on the cherry tomatoes. And then on the side, I'm going to put the sausage that we made. And at the end, I'm gonna add a little bit of the everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's on top of the toast to make a nice little breakfast. All right, so it's time for snack number one. I'm keeping it very simple. I'm just having some celery with some Mediterranean style hummus, both from Trader Joe's. And then I also have these green olives and Greek Kalamata olives, sorry. And I just put them in a bowl and enjoy them. Don't mind me here with my olive oil on my face and my deep conditioned hair, and just really enjoying and living my life eating these snacks. All right, snack number 2, I feel like I might have shown this on my channel already or something close to it, but basically it's just yogurt with sunflower seeds and pomegranates. I'm using raw sunflower seeds, organic creamy cashew yogurt, and then regular pomegranate seeds from Trader Joe's. I add the pomegranate seeds first, then the yogurt, and then the sunflower seeds on top, and it is delicious, trust me. All right, so the final meal is meal number 2, which is my dinner. I'm having vegan Salisbury steak with gravy and mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna show you guys this step by step. First, I'm taking the Impossible meat and I'm adding rosemary, thyme, pepper, salt, everyday seasoning from Trader Joe's, Lowry seasoning salt, garlic powder, and smoked paprika with some vegan Worcestershire sauce, adding that all to it, and also chopped up some garlic. So I'm gonna put in the garlic and then just smash that all together, mix it in, and then I make the little patties. I just, ball them up. You can make them however big or small you'd like, but that's about the size that I made mine. I made 3 of them, and then I went ahead and cooked them. So what I did is just heated up some avocado oil on the stove and then fried them up. And then once they're done cooking, I add the gravy, which I'll show you guys how to make the gravy in just a second. All right, so for the gravy, I'm just using salt, pepper, garlic powder, flour, vegetable broth, olive oil, cremini mushrooms, a shallot, and some garlic. I don't have any onions, so I use a shallot. First, I chop up the mushrooms, shallot, and the garlic, and then I throw that into the pan with some olive oil, and I add in some of the seasonings, so the salt, the pepper, and the garlic powder. I throw it in, and I pretty much just brown that until it's about at this consistency here. And then once that's good, I go ahead and add in the vegetable broth. I do about a cup of vegetable broth per tablespoon of flour, or a tablespoon of flour per cup of vegetable broth, however you want to say it, but I ended up adding more. So I whisked that in until it's at a thicker consistency, but I realized that was too little, so I added another about a cup of vegetable broth and another spoonful of flour, and I got it at that thickness, and then I let it kind of brown, and I set that to the side. Now I'm going to show you guys how I make the mashed potatoes. So I keep it all vegan. I just have oat milk, and I use vegan butter. So here you just see me boiling up the water, throwing in the potatoes, and then I boil those until they're able to be mashed. Once they're boiled, I drain the water out of the pot and just leave the potatoes inside. I mash them up with a big fork, as you can see here. I like the skins on them, so I keep it on there. Then I just add a big scoop of the vegan butter, and I add just a little bit of the oat milk. I don't have measurements, I'm sorry. And then I add in the ingredients after I mash that up. So, the seasoning, so salt, pepper, and chives. And then that's it. That's what we have for the vegan Salisbury steak with gravy and mashed potatoes, and I paired it with a glass of wine, of course. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am about to have some leftovers of the dinner we had last night, so I just wanted to take a bite on camera since you guys didn't get to really see me eating too much in the video. But this is so good, you guys. This vegan Salisbury steak with the mashed potatoes, such a nice comfort food meal. Oh my God, let me just take a bite. It is so good. It's the flavors. I feel like it's even better the next day. Y'all, please try that recipe and comment down below if you do. Let me know how it is. If you make it on your Instagram or anything, tag me in it on my Twitter or whatever. So bomb, and I want to see you guys recreate it. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn your post notification bell on, follow me on Instagram at SamAlexandria. This is what I ate yesterday, but it's not always what I eat, you know, so keep that in mind. If you guys want to see me do like a cheat day type what I eat in a day, we can get into it. I'll be eating all the snacks, chips. They have a special place in my heart. So I definitely have my moments where I just don't care about what I'm eating and eat all types of crap. But if you guys want to see something like that, just let me know. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Yeah. You ran through my mind, it's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby. You